Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If AI could do 50% of your job right now, would your income drop by 50%? Most people feel the pressure. They are working harder, not earning more, watching AI get better every single week, and just waiting for the layoff announcement. But here's a twist no one tells you. AI isn't designed to replace your income. It's designed to multiply it if you use it the right way. Today, I'm going to show you the exact 5-step strategy people are using to double their income without working more hours and without becoming some tech genius. By the end of this video, you'll know the single reason most smart people stay stuck and the specific steps that turn AI into a personal money machine instead of a threat. Let's get into the strategy. A few months ago, I hit a wall. I was juggling projects, exhausted, overwhelmed, and annoyed at myself for constantly feeling behind. One night, staring at my crushing to-do list, I realized I don't need more motivation. I need another me. So I did something I'd never done. I opened ChatGPT and I asked it to plan my entire week. Not a simple list, a system. Within seconds, it recognized my tasks, blocked my schedule around energy, flagged the unimportant things, and even predict where I'd burn out. That one change saved me 7 hours that week. The next week, 10 hours, then 12. And that's when it hit me. The people who earn more in the AI era aren't working faster. They are working differently. They are working through AI, not next to it. And today I'll give you the exact 5-shift framework. There are 5 shifts that allow you to increase your income without increasing your workload. Let's break them down. Shift number 1, turn AI into your first employee. Your problem isn't lack of talent, your problem is bandwidth. Most people try to do everything themselves. Emails, planning, writing, research, admin. It kills creativity, it kills opportunities, it kills income. AI is not a tool, it's an employee. Treat it like one, train it like one, delegate it like one. Let me give you a real example of delegation. A friend of mine runs a small coaching business. She was drowning in admin, scheduling, writing posts, creating PDFs. She didn't hire a VA. She hired AI as her ops assistant. She didn't just use a general chatbot. She trained it on her tone and her goals. She created roles, an AI content editor, an AI research intern, an AI customer support assistant. The result? She shaved 15 hours of her week without hiring a single human. Her revenue didn't change immediately, her capacity did. And capacity is what gives birth to money. Create your first AI employee today. The AI Chief of Time Optimization. To do this, open your AI tool and give it a role. Tell it, act as my Chief of Staff. My high focus energy is from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Rewrite my current to-do list so that the most complex tasks are scheduled for those hours and the repetitive tasks are scheduled when my energy is low. This is how you let the AI rewrite your day around energy, not just your overwhelming list of tasks. Shift number 2, use AI to create leveraged income. Let's be honest, most people want to make more money without working more, but they are stuck in income models that requires more hours to make more money. That's a trap. AI opens the door to a different world. Leveraged income, where you build something once and it pays you again and again. There's a woman I know who used to freelance as a designer. She'd trade time for pay. Talented but exhausted. She realized I kept designing the same type of stuff for the same type of businesses. So instead of custom work, she made templates. But here's where it gets smart. She used AI to generate 20 variations of every design in minutes. Then she packaged them and sold them online for volume. Within 60 days, she made more from passive digital products than she used to make freelancing full-time. Not because she became better, but because she stopped trading her hours for income. AI gave her infinite duplication power. Ask AI, based on my existing skills, what digital products could I create once and sell forever? Let it generate 10 ideas, pick one. Before we get to the final three shifts, the ones that doubled your value, you have to understand that AI is a tool, but a strategy is the weapon. If you're getting value from seeing the strategy here, please take 2 seconds and tap the like button. It tells me to make more videos like this. Now let's talk about how to become irreplaceable. Shift number 3, AI accelerated skill stacking. This is where the big money begins. AI has made it possible to go from beginner to dangerous in almost any skill ridiculously fast. But the people who benefit aren't learning random skills. They are stacking skills strategically. There's a marketer I know, smart guy but stuck. His growth felt capped. Instead of learning more marketing, he used AI to learn consumer psychology. Not in months, in days. AI broke it down for him, summarized the books, created flashcards, and even gave him case studies tailored to his industry. He combined marketing, psychology, AI. Why? Because everyone can write an ad now, but almost no one knows why people buy. His rates doubled, his hours didn't. He became the strategist clients fought to work with. Ask AI, what is the one opposite or complementary skill that would make me twice as valuable in my current industry? Learn that one thing this week. Shift number 4, AI enhanced decision making. Money doesn't come from effort. It comes from good decisions. Bad decisions waste years. Good decisions compound. AI gives you something you've never had before, a second brain dedicated to thinking with you. A business owner I know was stuck choosing between a partnership and expanding her current business. She asked AI to walk her through unintended consequences, long-term incentives, emotional blind spots, and resource constraints. AI didn't decide. It gave her clarity by exposing her blind spots. She chose the partnership and it added 6 figures to her business in less than a year. One good decision can change your entire financial future. You just need to see the whole world. Before you make your next big professional decision, ask AI, tell me everything I can't see from my current emotional or financial perspective. And finally, shift number 5, turn AI into your value multiplier. This is the final and most powerful part of this strategy. Your income grows by increasing your value, not your hours. AI multiplies the value of whatever you already do naturally. I know someone who works in HR, normal job, normal salary. She started using AI to write job descriptions automatically, analyze candidate resumes, predict team culture fit, and design custom onboarding plans, not for others, for her own team and her own manager. When the company saw the massive efficiency gains and reduction in turnover, they gave her a new role leading internal operations. Then they gave her a raise, 10 bonuses. Why? Because she wasn't an employee anymore. She became a force multiplier. AI didn't replace her. AI amplified her value to the point where she was irreplaceable. Ask AI, in my current job, where are the hidden tedious bottlenecks that I could automate with a simple prompt? It will find the money you're missing. Let me leave you with this single thought. AI is not about working faster or hustling harder or squeezing more hours out of your already exhausted brain. It's about stepping into a new identity. A person whose value is multiplied, not drained. A person who earns more because they think smarter, not work longer. You don't have to compete with the machine. You just have to collaborate with it. Because the moment you stop trying to outwork AI and start letting AI amplify your strengths, your income stops depending on time and starts depending on vision. I want you to take the first micro action we discussed, creating your AI chief of time optimization, and try it today. go to your favorite AI tool and use the prompt strategy we covered. And once you do, come back to the comments below and tell me how many hours you saved this week. I read every single one. If something clicked for you today, don't let that feeling fade in 10 minutes like most motivation does. Log it in. Make a decision about who you're becoming, and if this channel resonates with that vision, hit subscribe and ring the bell so we can keep building your future together.